Hello guys, today I got the GoPro which I have ordered on I guess on Friday. Yeah, on the Thursday, sorry, I ordered on Thursday evening. um, it got packed in on Friday, and today it got delivered on Monday. So I'm gonna do the unpacking of this GoPro. So this GoPro I'm living in Singapore, and I think they have sent it from the Singapore somewhere they have office. So let me, so this they are using the UPS delivery like for sending this GoPro. Yeah, let's check it. I think I'm using the wrong side, but it's okay. So ooh, so this is GoPro 9 Hero Black. And what is this? Oh, this is nothing. This is just a paper. No, there's nothing. So let's keep this box aside, and let's open this. Packaging is so good. It's not like a laptop where they like wrap multiple plastics. It looks good, this box. They tried to give some exclusive look. How to open? Okay, so here, this is how it is supposed to be opened. This is the box they have given. Over a period of time, maybe it will look like a case for old person sunglasses. But it's good, like it's a shock proof. And I think these are like this is a memory card manuals. Okay, and this is what I got. This is a stand. Oh, good, it can hold. This is battery. 2 batteries are there, and this is stand, the screwdriver and other things. So you have to take the role of mechanic just to do the setup. And this is the stand. So the quality of this this one is like made of some sort of plastic or some sort of cover. It's good. Like you can have a good grip. Basically the quality is good. And yeah, I think I need to put, if I'm going in water, I need to do like this and this, right? So it will, even if I leave it, it will be in my hand. So anyway, now let's go to this one. What is this? This is an USB. Good. And this is something mainly which we have paid the money. This is GoPro 9 Black. You can see here, this is their camera, right? They have put the plastics on all sides. So I'll put the battery and make it on. But yeah, these are some things which I have got in this whole box. And what is the cost of this thing, this whole setup? It cost me around like $550. In the 550 Singapore dollar, I got 1 year subscription of a GoPro app where I can store unlimited files, the videos, as well as I got these things free. So there was another version of the same one. So in that version, they are like giving this and this memory card, and that was something around I think 560 or 590. It was more costlier than this. But if I'm like taking their subscription stuff together, then it costed me something around 540 or 550 Singapore dollar. So yeah, this is all about this GoPro. But yeah, this box looks like an case of an sunglass of an old person, but it's good. So this is an unboxing. When I will use after a while, I'll just give the review. That's all. Bye bye.